Through my children's experience with STEAM education, I noticed a big change in how they approach learning. Instead of memorizing and forgetting, they basically make a special connections that stays with them for life. When Jebby proudly showed me her STEAM project and tell me that she actually hurt her fingers, I realized that she basically not just learning, she also practicing resilience and perseverance. They are more confident, they are more curious and creative, and they develop deeper understanding around the topic that goes beyond the classroom. And I guess this is what makes the school special.
Because STEAM form a soft skill that is critical thinking and problem solving, that I hope would be embedded to my child since their youth. And besides science, technology, engineering and math, STEAM also incorporating art, which I think plays an important role, such as creativity, to perfect those soft skills. She's able to collab with her friends and her peers in the classroom. She was also very excited to show us the project that she's made with her friends. She becomes more independent, brave and curious. She also has become more composed in solving any play struggle at home. She also becomes very initiative in doing things for herself and others. See you at the next STEAM Expo.
See you at the next STEAM Expo.
STEAM Expo Cipto! Yeah!